In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion full page. Notion is a versatile tool that many people use to organize everything from personal projects to professional tasks. Whether you're using it for managing your daily to-do lists or collaborating on team projects, having the ability to view your pages in full screen mode can significantly enhance your experience. This will give you a cleaner workspace by minimizing distractions and allowing you to focus entirely on the content in front of you. So, let's dive in and explore how you can easily adjust your Notion view to utilize the full width of your screen. To begin with, you'll want to open the specific Notion page you intend to expand. This can be any page within your workspace that you feel would benefit from a broader view. Maybe it's a page full of tables, detailed notes, or an extensive project plan. The process we're about to go through works no matter the content you've got on your page, so feel free to choose any that you interact with frequently. Once you have your desired page open, your next move is straightforward. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a symbol that resembles three vertical dots, known as the More menu. It's easy to overlook this small but mighty feature, but it's key to accessing the options you need to adjust your page's appearance. Go ahead and click on this icon. What this does is open up a menu that offers several options related to your page settings and configurations. Now, within this menu, you will see various options that might seem a bit overwhelming at first glance, especially if you haven't explored them before. But don't worry, we're only focused on one feature today, the full width option. Look for the toggle labeled full width. What this toggle does is essentially stretch your Notion page to take up the entire width of your screen, making optimal use of any extra space available. This is extremely beneficial for those who are dealing with pages that contain tables or large blocks of text. When you find the full width toggle, simply click on it. You'll notice an immediate change as your page spans the full width of your browser window, offering a more expansive view than the standard layout. This setting is particularly beneficial if you have a large monitor or are viewing on a widescreen display. The information will be stretched out, making it easier for your eyes to track across and giving you more room for displaying complex data more clearly. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Notion page to full width. This simple adjustment can often lead to increased productivity, as you now have a cleaner, broader view of your content with fewer visual interruptions. Try this on various pages to see how it improves your workflow, and enjoy the enhanced clarity as you navigate through your workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you maximize your use of Notion.